If you are looking for a strategy that you can follow and get some good amount of sales on Digistore24.com platform, and you want a strategy that works for everybody and a strategy that you can apply with no money and no experience, so keep watching this video till the end and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Web Hosting Live YouTube channel, because I will make sure to upload more videos in Digistore 24 strategies and free traffic methods that you can apply and get free leads and free conversions and free money. So let's get started. So as you can see right here on Digistore24, all the time, if you are trying to pick a product, you have to see what is the most, or what is the top, or what is the highest when it comes to popularity right here. So I tried, for example, let's say I will go with this product right here, which is the keto meal plan. Okay, the ultimate keto meal plan product, right? So this is a plan that paying something like 30, yeah, something is $39 per commission, or per conversion. So let's say this product, okay? What is the traffic source we're gonna use in today's video? It's YouTube, yeah. But you don't have to create videos, or to edit videos and all of this stuff, because I know if you create a video and upload it on YouTube, you will get something like 10 views, and there will be no traffic or no views anymore, because the keto niche, or the diet niche, or the weight loss niche, it's really competitive and it's hard to get ranked over there. But what if I told you that you can make your affiliate link get appeared beside of one of these videos that are actually getting millions of views? For example, let's take this video as an example. I just typed on the search bar keto meal plan, and I get this video that got 3 million views and 500,000 views. As you can see right here, the strategy, it's not about uploading videos, as I said. So how can I get traffic from this video? Is by commenting on this video. As you can see right here, we have this Springer or Sprigirl, I don't know what is that. So as you can see, this comment right here got almost 400 likes. And you know what does that mean? It means that 400 people gave this comment a like, but imagine the number or the amount of people that are actually watched or seen this this comment. Because if we take 1%, which is the like ratio, so 1% of the people are actually pressing the like button, that means that something like 4,000 people, it's more than 4,000, it's 40,000 views for this comment alone. Imagine, let's say 2%, and let's say it's something like it's not 40,000, it's something like 20,000 views. Imagine your affiliate link get 20,000 views for free. This is completely for free in 9 months, as you can see right here. And this lady, or I don't know, said that I can't get over how quick, easy, and tasty keto recipes are. Even more amazing is that I'm making them, right? So try, imagine if you are the owner, or if you are if this comment is yours, and imagine if you type the same message because it looks really good, and you copy your affiliate link from Digistore24 of this affiliate digital product, because this is a digital plan. Imagine if you get your affiliate link and you put it right here, and you said, I can't get over how quick, easy, and tasty keto recipes are. Even more amazing is that I'm making them, and try to say something like, if you are trying to get, or if you want uh, a digital plan or a keto plan or something like that, click this link, and people will start clicking on your link. And imagine if you get this something like 1,000 click on your link, and the conversion rate, if it's something like 5% or 2%, just do the math right there, and you will see that you will make something like thousands of dollars just by commenting on YouTube videos. So that was the free method, is by commenting. And I know that you see a lot of people actually spamming comments on YouTube. And this is not the best practice on getting free traffic from comments. Try to not spam your comments. Try to comment only on on the most viewed videos. On just go to some biggest channels over there that are making videos about something like weight loss, and make sure to comment in any video with one single comment, okay? Because if you are commenting over and over and over again, your YouTube account will get banned, because you are something like you are spamming these comments. And another practice to get the most value from it is make sure to comment, or to be one of the first people that are commenting on this video, because this way, once you are the first one to comment on the video or the YouTube channel owner or the YouTuber will give you something like a like right here, okay? And if he does that, that's help your comment to get ranked, because as you can see, only the comments that are getting likes from this YouTube channel are the highest ranked right here, which is something like 4 comments, or yeah, even more comments right here. And the first comment, you shouldn't put a link on it, because if the owner of this YouTube channel see that you are trying to commenting with links on this YouTube channel, he will delete your comment or maybe banning you. So the best practice is just, for example, at the beginning, just type this text, and after your comment get posted and get a like from the YouTube owner, for the YouTube channel owner, then try to edit your comment by adding your affiliate link. So this way, your comment with your affiliate link and got a like from this YouTube channel owner, and it will not get banned or deleted, because you are just edited your comment that are already posted. So that was the strategy, is by targeting this videos in many different niches. It's not limited only for weight loss niche, or you can apply it for something like make money online niches, different niches. It works without niches with no problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.